Today, Australia recognized India's Covaxin for the purpose of travel to the country as it eased curbs on international travels. After more than 18 months of some of the world's strictest coronavirus border policies, millions of Australians are now free to travel without a permit or the need to quarantine on arrival in the country. A media release from the Australian government said Covaxin, manufactured by Bharat Biotech in India, and BBIBP Corv manufactured by Sinopharm in China, vaccines would be recognized for the purpose of establishing a traveler's vaccination status. This recognition is for travelers aged 12 and over who have been vaccinated with Covaxin and those 18 to 60 who have been vaccinated with BBIBP Corv. This recognition means many citizens of China and India, as well as other countries in our region where these vaccines have been widely deployed, will now be considered fully vaccinated on entry to Australia. This will have significant impacts on the return of international students and the travel of skilled and unskilled workers to Australia. Unvaccinated travelers will still face quarantine restrictions, and all travelers need proof of a negative COVID-19 test prior to boarding. Australia previously let only a limited number of citizens and permanent residents return from abroad with a mandatory 14-day quarantine period in a hotel at their own expense. There were also some exemptions for foreign travelers on economic grounds, including, controversially, some Hollywood stars.